Hello, my name is Sora. I'm with ONWRDSupply Co. We're a small company out of Bend, Oregon. Our primary product offering is a modular vehicle storage solution for your back seat. We offer 3 different base panels and a whole lot of components. This panel here is our half modular. These 2 pockets are sewn on, and the upper section uses our modular map system. This system has these flaps. That's what actually holds the weight. The Velcro just locks it in. So you can really load these bags up without too much fear of them falling off on your bumpy roads. This one here is our full modular. So instead of the sewn pockets, it has the modular system all the way to the bottom, allowing you to pick and place whatever components you want. This component here is our tech sling. A lot of really awesome storage inside. Magnetic flap top. Same system on the back. And it has a little secret. Tucks away a shoulder sling strap so you can wear it. Next we have our protective case. This is a molded foam case. It's great for binoculars, small camera equipment, any of those fragile things, really important stuff to you. I personally keep my coffee set up in here because what's more important than that? More soft touch here so you're not scratching up lenses. Right here we have our water bottle or just tall skinny storage. I keep a fire extinguisher in there personally. I drive a Volkswagen. They're known to catch on fire. You know how it is. This is our insulated cooler. If you have friends, kids in the back seat, it's great for keeping a couple of drinks, an ice pack, snacks, all that kind of good stuff, and then a little more storage on the outside. The vast majority of our interiors are high-vis orange. How many times have you lost something black in a black bag, never to see it again? We're trying to end that. This is our stuff all bag. It's kind of a weekend worth of clothes or laptops, that kind of thing. It's padded, a little organization, and a shoulder strap so you can take it off and wear it like a laptop sling bag. Here we have our tool roll. It's good for those little sports tools. So put some of your fishing stuff in there. You put skateboard or snowboard adjustment tools, all that kind of good stuff. And it of course pulls off like everything else. Up here we have our headrests. These are really the star of the show for us. We have more high-vis pockets, really great storage pockets on the inside there. And then up top we have another soft touch for your sunglasses, and then elastic bands on the bottom for your fire extinguisher, your bug spray, your sunscreen, your flashlight, all those things you want within close reach. And then to round everything out, we have our trasher. This is a welded seam interior. It's foam and insulated. It's built like a cooler. It's not going to leak on you. It's got really strong magnet closure for keeping all that gross stuff inside. Or throw ice and a 6er in there and you're good to go. I guess not quite to finish out, but this is our bench seat organizer. This goes in the way back of your Jeep, back of your Bronco. It's got Velcro on the bottom to suck it up to the back of the seat so it's not flopping around, and then just slings over your headrests. It's the same system with sewn pockets on the outside, modular on the inside. If you'd like to find more information, you can find that at ONWRDSupply.com.